god. Oh, why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, I'm filming my intro right now because I accidentally deleted it, but we are going to get down to clean this house. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms to clean that we're gonna clean, and I think it's gonna be super satisfying to watch. So let's get started. My sister and her husband are new parents. They have a 3-month-old. I watch her right now. I've been watching her for like the past 2 weeks, for the rest of the month while my sister goes back to work. Being a new parent is hard, I get it. So that's why we're gonna clean, because they haven't been cleaning. They haven't had the time to just focus and clean. So that's what I did. I'm hoping to surprise her, and yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, this house is a mess, and I just finished this semester, so it's perfect timing. Here we're in the baby room, and on Monday I actually did clean up this room a little bit. I tidied up. There was laundry that needed to be folded and put in here. I put the laundry away. Look, this shirt says hello auntie that I got when I found out my sister was pregnant, and I'm taking back when I leave. I tidied up the room a little bit. It wasn't anything crazy, but since that's already tackled, I have this that I can do in here. So I'm going to organize this up. If you guys want to watch, you can. Maybe fold these up. They have a lot of newborn diapers still left. You see, these are newborn, and I know they want to donate them and take them somewhere. So I'm going to organize those, clean up the shelves. But yeah, you guys can watch me do stuff here. Do you guys see there's a whole ass spider? Yep, right there. I'm getting my brother-in-law to come kill that right now. We're not playing this. Garbage. All right, y'all, I can see the floor. Got those piled up. I love this right here. I'd love to do this to the diapers as well, but the diapers are in that bottom box. The diapers can probably get filled up here. This is just a bunch of kind of like clutter, but can organize them themselves. And then the clothes are fine, and then there's some down there. So you see, we can see the floor. I love that. Hi, it is, you can hear the sound machine. It's 9:30, which means I put the baby down for her first nap, and I'm just gonna clean the fuck out of this living room. I'm so excited because I'm in like a cleaning mood. I finished school. This is all I really have left to do. Okay, this is all I can do. You can ignore this breast pump. But look. I'm just gonna obviously take this into the fridge as I just fed her, and then take this and my drink, but it looks fabulous. And now I'm going to do the kitchen. Okay, we're here. So this isn't nearly as bad, but it was so bad on Monday. I did this only, but this is just all the stuff collected throughout the week that I'm just gonna clean. I'm gonna upload the dishwasher. I'm gonna clean one of those dishes and clean everything up so the house looks perfect. I just got a new cottage, and this is what we got in here. Spotless. Oh my god. I can breathe. I haven't been able to see the bottom of this. Did you clean this? Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. This was irritating me every day to see it. It looks so good. It looks so good. I took a really good nap. I woke up like hella early today. I literally woke up at like 8 or 9, 8:30. I got the baby at 8:18. So we got out of bed at 8:30 to 8:45. And then from there I just started my clean. So I cleaned the entire house. You guys saw I cleaned the baby's room, I cleaned the living room, I cleaned the kitchen. And the last thing I gotta tackle is my bedroom. It's not much, I just need to, it is much. Yeah, but I just need to clean this up a little bit. And a lot of it is just throwing out mess. Like I just have a lot of clutter that needs to be thrown away. So yeah, and we are gonna watch me do that last, and then I'll show you guys the whole house. I should have showed you guys before and after, but it's okay. So I got these chains brother-in-law got me to put on my ceiling, so let's do that together, I guess. Look, it's long as fuck. But he told me you can cut it, so I'm gonna get him to cut that tomorrow. But I'm happy I got that. Now I can turn my fan on and stuff. Turn my fan on and off. So last thing we need to do. Yay, I'm happy to do this because tomorrow I don't want to deal with this. Tomorrow I don't want to touch this stuff. I just want to do my hair and like relax, okay? We got this clean. Now I'm just gonna take this garbage that I have in my room to the garbage can. And I'm in the dishwasher. Let's go. We're done. Let me show you guys what I accomplished today. It is 1 a.m. and everybody's sleeping. So I did the baby's room. Got laundry in there that needs to wash tomorrow. My sister will be doing. Tidied this up. We tidied up the closet as we saw yesterday. Piled up those. I love this. I love this. I just love organization, okay? These are all diapers that are too small for her that we will be donating, hopefully. Got all these. Look at these little booties and look at the nail polish I got her. I love them, okay? My room. It's kind of boring. We got this long ass string that my brother-in-law will be fixing tomorrow morning because this ain't it. Like, why is it so long? But this is cleaned. We just got them from Amazon. They're these like chains. I don't know. Anyway, got that boring part. This is a fun part, the bathroom. These are flowers my boyfriend got me. I just saved a couple of them. They were like in a pot. I'm not sure you guys saw them. These are clothes that are soaking because she had a blowout today. She had a blowout on her thing. We saw that, right? If not, we'll put some pictures like that. Okay. This part right now, it's like a breath of fresh air. Is the living room. It looks great. OMG. Like, I just love the organization. I know for my future house to never get a glass table because there's fingerprints that just don't go away and it just is bothering me, but we're living with it. This was for the that you just saw in the sink. We're just washing that tomorrow because of the blowout. And we got the kitchen, which is like my favorite part of any house to clean. It's just beautiful in here. I just unloaded it. We got dirty dishes in there. I want to get something. I don't see any tape in the house, but I want to write dirty in here so people actually, it'll be empty. They'll know, hopefully. But we just stocked up our dishes and it's clean. And that is me cleaning the entire house. I'm tired. I have a headache. I actually took a nap in between. Like, it's 1 a.m., but I slept when my sister came home at like 3:30 till like 9 probably. I woke up early today. I woke up right as soon as she woke up. And together we cleaned the house together. But that is the house. It is clean. I'm so happy. That was my accomplishment. That was what I was hoping to accomplish today. And I finished it and I feel like $1,000,000. I'm just so happy, literally. It's like, oh my god, I finished the semester in the clean house. I just feel great right now and this was just needed. I feel great. My back actually is in horrible, like my back of my shoulder, like right here, as you can see. They should, this, yeah, they're hunching back like this. They're in so much pain, so I'm probably gonna massage that, sleep on like flat surface, maybe that'll help. I don't know, but yeah, I'm so happy this happened. And we are back to 3 videos a week, Monday, Friday, and shorts on Wednesday. I needed a break. I took a break off. I finished school and then I took a break to kind of rejuvenate and get back into the swing of things, and we're back to the swing of things. So thank you for sticking around. Yeah, I needed this, okay? I needed the week off. Go, like seriously, going on a constant is very draining for me and my mental. So if you guys haven't noticed, like usually I take like a week off after like really busy time. So like busy time are like finals week, or busy time is like Vlogmas. So I do take some time off, and thank you for sticking around with me, I guess. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. I hope you guys like my little, I need a new one. This one is all torn up, literally ripped up right here. And look, it doesn't even fit here anymore because I accidentally like pulled it. Like, it's just torn. This is straight from TZ, Tanzania, where I'm from, but I need to get a new one because I love lounging in these, because I love being naked and I can never really be naked unless I'm like in my own house. Naked as in like bra and underwear. So I can only do that like in my dorm, in my apartment, when I go to school. So this is like the closest thing to it, like just being free and naked and like not dealing with any type of nothing. So yeah, if you guys have any places where I can get more of these, let me know. Okay, I'm talking too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, subscribe. Love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you Wednesday, right? Yeah.
Short your time.
Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, Excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.